Now let's set where your PopCard will appear on the screen. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. From the Settings tab, click the Placement tab on the left. This is where you decide exactly where your PopCard shows up, whether it stays subtle in a corner or boldly grabs attention at the top of the page. You'll see a set of placement options right away. Just click one to choose where your PopCard will appear on the page. Top stretches across the full width at the top. Top left sits neatly in the upper left corner. Top right, upper right corner placement. Center pops up right in the middle of the screen. Bottom left, lower left corner. Bottom right, lower right corner. Bottom, full width at the bottom of the page. If you see the preview button available, you can use it to check how your PopCard looks on the page as you adjust the placement. If you want something that immediately gets attention, try center or top. If you prefer something more subtle that doesn't interrupt the browsing experience, the bottom or corner placements work great. You can always switch placements anytime. Just click a different option until it feels right for your design and layout. Once you've chosen the spot you like, you're ready to move on to the next section. And if you need help at any point, just click Get Help at the top right. Epic is always here for you. And if you want a demo or need extra support, just email support@epicshops.com. We'd love to help you explore what's possible and help you sell more online.